We all know how challenging it can be to navigate the rural areas. You go to the villages and get welcomed by extremely bad roads that even bicycles cannot pass. You might feel like you need a 4x4 just to get through some of those unmotorable paths. But guess what? Governor Peter Mbah is stepping up big time to change that. So get ready because Peter Mbah is taking rural infrastructure seriously and making life easier for people living in these areas. First off, let's talk about the reality on the ground. We've seen all these bumpy, pothole-filled roads in the local government areas, right? You know, the ones that make your car feel like it's on a roller coaster ride. For too long, the rural areas in Enugu State have been left to fend for themselves, not just in Enugu State, in so many other states like that, when it comes to proper road maintenance. Accessing basic services has been a major struggle for many communities. But hold up, things are changing now. With Governor Peter Mbah in the driver's seat, we are starting to see some real action. Mbah has made it clear that neglecting the rural areas is not an option for his administration. He's determined to ensure that every community has decent access to essential services, and that starts with reliable roads. One of the standout projects under Mbah's administration is the construction of the Agunguji-Ogbeta Road, stretching an impressive 21.7 kilometers. This isn't just any road, it's a lifeline connecting several communities in Isilzo local government area. Imagine living in a village where the road conditions make it nearly impossible to transport goods or even get to the nearest market or go to your farms. That's the reality for many in this local government area. But Mbah's team is making strides to change that. Why is this road so important, you might want to ask? Well, it connects various communities, making it easier for residents to access healthcare, education, and economic opportunities. Plus, it means fewer headaches while trying to get from point A to point B. And let's be real, nobody wants to spend half of their day navigating a muddy path or dodging potholes. The good news now is that work is actively underway. Mbah's administration has committed to prioritizing this project, and it's clear they are not just talking the talk, they are walking the walk as well. The construction crews are out there getting their hands dirty, and we're all here for it. People in the affected communities have already started feeling the positive effects of this project. Local farmers are buzzing with excitement, as they will soon be able to transport their goods more easily. No more worrying about whether their produce will make it to markets without being damaged or spoiled. It's all about improving livelihoods, okay? Another impressive aspect of Mbah's approach is his focus on engaging with local communities. He's not just making decisions from an office. He's actively listening to the needs of the people. During community meetings, he's been known to emphasize the importance of these rural roads, acknowledging the struggles faced by residents.
I'm onye Mbuji. Ya amufu. This is a local government. Oza na-aga Ogbechi. Anyị bụ ndị Mbuji. Anyị na-atabugo nwa na-akwụ n'ebe a. Anyị nwere ala, mana ọ nwere ụzọ. Ihe mgbe m matara ike, ude a mebeghị ude a, ma ahụ na-arụbi ya. Na-aba na RCC otu a. Ibi Mbasko, ibi n'okwu, gaa Ogbeta, ọwụ ezigbo nsogbu. Ụbọchị kịta, eji nwayọ na-eji ụkwụ n'aka. Tomato nsogbu ịtụọ na basket ndị ya. Obi dị m aṅụrị. Obi dị m ụtọ. Nna anyị ukwu bụ Gọvanọ Mbah. Biko Chineke gọzie ya ka ọrụ gaa n'iru.
Ama ayoru nile ụzọ na nwanụ lara mana oge laghachila anyị lata ụzọ adịga anyị ga n'ime ebe eke na nwale ọgala emepe amachi mechukwu nyeru n'eka funuru ele udo chi me Peter Mbah ke ọdụ ogologo ndụ ke chukwu nyere n'eka evaji.
It's all about building trust and showing that he genuinely cares about making a difference. People are finally feeling seen and heard, and that's very important. This connection with the grassroots level is what will make his administration succeed in transforming the rural landscape of Enugu State. Why should we all care about this? Well, improved rural roads mean better access to healthcare, education, and economic opportunities for everyone. It's about breaking down barriers that have held communities back for so long. When roads are fixed, businesses can thrive, kids can go to school without hassle, and families can access medical facilities without fear of getting stuck in the mud. Plus, let's not forget the impact this has on the several developments of Enugu State. When rural areas flourish, the entire state benefits. We are talking about creating jobs, boosting local economies, and improving the quality life of thousands of residents living in these areas. Who wouldn't want to see that? As we look ahead, it's exciting to think about the potential changes coming to Enugu's rural communities. This road is just one part of a larger vision. With Mbah at the helm, there's hope that more projects like this will follow. It's a commitment to not just urban areas, but to every corner of the state. Let's keep our eyes peeled for updates on this road and others that are in the pipeline. It's a thrilling time for Enugu State, and we are all rooting for the success of this initiative. So, there you have it. Governor Peter Mbah is making serious strides in improving the rural road infrastructure in Enugu State, unlike other states where they get to focus more on the capital city and leave behind these rural areas in local government. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on what's happening in Enugu State. Until next time, stay safe.